Alright, so I'm back on making a video again. And first I gotta give somebody a shout out. Shout out to Carolina Dominic. I'm sorry if I said your name wrong, but well, shout out to him
/ her.
I can't.
It says Carolina, so I mean it might be a boy and it might be a girl. It is genderless until proven not genderless.
Alright, if you're watching this video, how old? Are you a boy or a girl? My brother wants to know.
Why would I want to know?
Or right, so
I don't want to know. You just said like him, and I was like, wait, but it's Carolina, so wouldn't that be like?
I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. I'm just
Gender debate with Doge.
I'm guessing it's a boy because of its profile picture.
All right, so
But
what are we
shout-
doing?
but
What are we
shout
doing
out
in this
to-
video?
But shout to him or her, and him or her wants me to make another video, so I guess I'll make another video.
Featuring not the Mimicked one and not Freddy and Foxy Adventures.
It's Freddy and Foxy Adventure / the Mimicked one. I'm gonna ban his YouTube channel.
How dare you?
You
I
that
have a gun.
you do not. That's a fake gun and that's a toy gun. If you guys heard that, that's a toy gun.
Okay, so let's play something.
Roblox.
Okay.
What game mode should we play?
By the way, guys,
What game mode are
like
we
and
gonna
subscribe to Doge Wow Metro Records YouTube channel. It
Um,
really supports him because he doesn't have that many subscribers, so you should
Yeah.
give him some.
I really am sad. That's like telling me everybody hates my videos.
Yeah, because they do.
We were playing Murder Mystery just a few minutes ago, but
I don't want to play that. Let's play Boulder Simulator. This is pretty cool.
No, let's not play Boulder Simulator.
Wow, we're YouTubers and we can't even decide what to play.
All right, so I guess we're gonna be playing. What should we play? We're gonna be playing.
Pause the video until you find out.
All right. Where is my mob? Not Mob's Dine. Mob's Dine clearly sucks. All right, we have finally flipping decided what we are gonna play. We're gonna play Criminal versus SWAT.
Because everyone loves killing each other.
And I'm gonna
Or
be.
at least I do.
And I'm gonna be wearing this clothes when I'm playing with Freddy and Foxy Adventures.
That's
So you might laugh as soon as you see my character. So be prepared.
Q&A with Freddy and Foxy
Actually,
Adventures.
be prepared to blush at my character. I look so hot.
Q&A with Doge and Freddy and Foxy Adventures.
I'm going to scream.
Freddy
Alright,
and Foxy Adventures.
I'm just gonna pause this video till it loads me in the game. Right, it seems like it will never load in, so I guess we're gonna finally play another game. And I'm gonna pause it again till prepare to watch me rage 1,000,000 times, cause this game is really hard.
I found a perfect title for your video.
What is
Doge.
it gonna be?
Doge, the title of this video will now be How to Lose Friends and Family. Doing Styre Bit Battle playing.
Yeah, that's
Why?
exactly how. You just play Doomstar Brick Battle. And I'm gonna rage. All right,
Since
there
we don't have a camera, no one's going to be able to see. Oh, I mean, we do, but we can't really show us because that would show my face.
All right.
I mean,
all right.
show my
You-
face. Ha,
you
I'm a
got-
clown. No, I don't have a face.
You
I'm a
guys are
clown.
gonna blush at me now. Ain't I hot?
Oh yes, this is the most beautiful thing I've seen in years. It's truly.
I'm super hot. I'm guava juice playing super Super.
Oh my gosh! Ow! Ah!
My team, literally, look, my team is untouched. My team is basically untouched.
My team is, my team didn't just get touched. It got,
No, look at my
maybe
team.
slammed in the floor.
Look
and
at my,
touched the
hey, look at
building.
my team. It is untouched.
If you look at my base, though, I'm the green base. I think someone slammed me in the floor and touched me a lot. Okay, that sounded bad, but I mean...
Ow, I got smacked. Now somebody's gonna bomb my place down. Unless I do this.
People never saw my epic brick building skills.
People will never find it.
Yes, because I don't record Roblox videos. If I had a gaming channel, I would.
True. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, I just keep getting trolled.
I
What?
would play Roblox.
This is what I meant by prepare to see me rage and throw my iPad
I
out the window.
I would record Roblox videos. That is, if I actually had a gaming channel. A channel called gaming, although sometimes in live streams I will play games. Actually, mostly all of my live streams are all video games. Hey, someone builded a wall over here, so I could just climb up this wall.
I see someone with bombs, and I'm gonna
Blow up my wall, or this other guy's wall that I just stole.
I just saw someone in my base, and I will murder the person. I'm gonna murder the person that I think I saw in my. Whoa, crap! I just got tricked. I just got William. Guys, can you sue the creators of this? Because I actually.
There's no
What?
creators, it's just creators.
Wait, only one person made this game?
Yes, as not so epic as it sounds. One person made this game. One. And I'm sure they spent sleepless nights creating. Ooh, I'm not supposed to be here. I'm being a bad boy.
Oh crap! Why did I die? Guys, I warned you. I warned you. This is not a family friendly channel if I keep dying.
I discussed in a video how my channel might actually become the next YouTube purge because
Green team has been eliminated.
And I didn't want my subscribers to get scared thinking that I was bad and that thinking I was bad and I'm a horrible person.
Darn it! You destroyed my place.
I didn't want people thinking that.
You know what? This is all I think about you now. I'm just gonna
I didn't.
sword fight.
Why my channel is basically about to
murdered
get
you.
ruined is because some people would like send hate to me, and I don't want my like subscribers thinking
What type?
that I had that like.
Alright, if this video's 1 hour again, then I'm just gonna get so mad.
Oh, if it is, I'm gonna still be impressed because I barely have the patience to make a 2-minute video. Meanwhile, Happy Memories came out and it was like 6 minutes long. So, haha, Freddy and Foxy Adventures just wasted 6 minutes of your life with a really horribly scripted movie.
I see a girl and she's trying to survive
the
death.
Made for Happy Memories Part 2. I'm just so disappointed with. I'm actually generally disappointed.
William, why does your team always get eliminated?
So if any Freddy and Foxy fans are watching this, now you know that I am generally disappointed in Happy Memories. I'm
disappointed on your movie. Your movie's kind of cringy.
Yeah. A lot of people pointed it out, and I wish I could tell them that I couldn't agree with them more.
How the heck did I die?
But then that would make it sound like I'm just using YouTube as a freaking career for money. Even though I use YouTube because it's just fun to make some videos with.
I'm gonna.
You exist on my
I'm
YouTube channel,
Donald Trump. I'm gonna build a wall.
and if you exist on my YouTube channel, you'll know all the horrible stuff I upload.
What?
And there's also the remake coming out. You know, that remake of that very overpopulated video I have. Whee!
How do I keep dying?
I just enjoy sitting here and watching his bomb explode and just.
I'm actually about to rage on camera. Right, subscribe for footage of seeing me rage and throwing my iPad out the window. Actual footage.
Subscribe to see more footage of Freddy and Foxy Adventures.
I just looked at the green team, just kaboom.
Like
kaboom.
This video to get more footage of your favorite YouTuber, Freddy and Foxy Adventures, being an idiot with his brother. Pet. I'm single, said nobody. Wait. Said this person in our what's it called again?
Arfro.
Omelet Arcade. The same thing that I forgot his name. Gosh dang it, this makes me sound like a horrible person. I just forgot one of my friends' names.
Yes, I won.
Productions.
I think I won. I believe I won.
Probably gonna make a video saying how I mentioned him in my video. Because he did that same thing with Sly Tie. I won't judge. I think I would honestly be very, very, very honored if, like, someone that I
won the game! Yeah!
Okay, stop shining the spotlight at me. Let's shine the spotlight at the actual creator of this video. Even though you probably didn't want to make this video.
Me?
I honestly don't even have the mood to create videos sometimes. I honestly sometimes hate making videos because if I make like a series, people are gonna ask me for like more of the series, and if I give up on the series, people complain. I honestly want to give up on Happy Memories, but I know everyone's gonna be sad about me giving up on Happy Memories. As much as I want to do it. Oh, hey, you're bombing this place down?
Yeah, who doesn't love bombing places down? You're actually supporting me, William, for bombing his planes down, because he's my enemy right now.
Everyone, this is the national bombing of the bomb.
Alright, how about you bomb his team and now? How about you bomb that guy's team and then I'll bomb your team?
That sounds like a plan. That sounds like a plan, He-Man.
How do I keep dying randomly?
I'm gonna get a copyright claim for saying He-Man in my video.
Don't say He-Man, or else I will sue your company.
The company called He-Man Productions Inc. or Happy Memories Productions Inc. The website where you.
I'm gonna scream.
I'm website
Alberto.
Where you talk about how bad Happy Memories is.
It's really bad. You know what? I'm just gonna say Slam Dunk Studios. Remember the?
Oh yeah, the guys who made Data Bro. Those guys are awesome, by the way.
And Data Bro Roleplay.
Nah, I mostly like just the original Data Bro.
I'm banning them. I'm banning Roblox from being a Roblox.
I think Slam Dunk Studios like games like Data Bro
they stopped.
Really a huge success, and I want to see.
Is it how they shouldn't stop making games at all?
Yeah, they shouldn't stop making such great games. I was just a very great experience for me. It was so cool.
Are you glad? Are you glad that you figured out about it?
Yes, I'm very glad that I saw Dragon Ball in my recommended page. Dear Lord, is it literally the best game I've ever played in my life.
Like better
I
than
wouldn't be
Bundy?
surprised if they became an official game.
I'm banning the person who killed me. I'm gonna find their YouTube channel and unsubscribe.
You're gonna subscribe to them.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Everybody does that.
Imagine that was
Everybody does that these days. I don't know why.
Maybe subscribe to unsubscribe.
Like I hate this YouTuber, so I'm gonna subscribe to this YouTuber to unsubscribe.
I'm gonna give it a promotement. I'm gonna unsubscribe. I'm gonna subscribe to this YouTube channel in a new account called Temporary.
I just killed myself. Guys, sorry that I accidentally exited. Now you know I was what.
Now you
Alright.
can just hear me blowing up stuff in the background.
I was watching myself as a princess.
Hey Brandon, remember that dumb flip video you made as like your first video or something?
That wasn't my first video. That was just my first flip clip video.
Well, it's the first video that I actually watched.
What flip a clip video?
That like the surprise attack thing where that guy just got punched in the face.
Yeah. I kind of like it. It's the best I could do. I don't know if other people liked it, but
at the time I thought that my content was like the best content ever on YouTube, and I thought I was the most important person on YouTube. Now that I think about it, I really am not.
and you aren't even close to.
I think the most important person on YouTube might be PewDiePie, although I hate him. He kills all my spicy memes, and I like them.
Blue is half dead.
Which is why we have,
Oh God! Look what happened to Yellow Base. Did you see what happened to Yellow Team? Yellow Team.
Okay, guys, I know that you're probably not gonna do this, but okay, that one guy that
I just murdered. You know what happened? Right. If you watch this video, you'll know what happened. So basically, what happened is I shot the railing of the Yellow Team's base. Then it just fell apart.
okay, Carolina, the guy or gal that really likes Doja's channel.
How dare you? I
really likes Doja's channel.
I kidnapped Brandon to have his channel.
Okay, so the person that really likes this YouTube channel a lot, I want to tell you that
What?
if you're watching this video right now,
I'm subscribed to the person who just killed me. Even though they're in my team, they launched me at the world.
I wanted to tell that person to subscribe to my epic channel because it's too epic for your liking.
Don't subscribe to Brilliant Foxy Adventures.
It's actually a really bad channel. I do not recommend it.
I don't know how
I do not recommend my YouTube channel. It's so bad.
You've got to be careful. Right. Yeah. Actually, subscribe to Freddy and Foxy Adventures.
No, don't.
Do.
No, don't listen to him. He doesn't. He's high on drugs. He doesn't know what he's talking about.
Subscribe to Freddy and Foxy Adventures.
Why would you promote me like that on your own video?
I think I won.
You should give a shout out to over billions of creators.
Are you serious? I won this round again. I keep winning the rounds.
Doge, you could give that shout out to billions of creators on YouTube, and you chose to give that shout out to me. Me?
I'm not giving you a shout out. I think your videos are really horrible.
Yes, they are.
But I just want people to and subscribe to Caroline or something like
Carolina.
that. Yeah, Carolina.
I was gonna tell you, you should have probably promoted her channel or his or her. I'm gonna assume her because of the name. The name sounds a little good.
Right, I'm gonna launch myself up to a universe.
And I've seen some people that I thought were a boy and ended up being a girl and turned out in a very awkward situation. Sometimes even resulting in very glorious fights.
Oh God! Look what's happening to my team. Look at my screen.
Yes,
look at
I
my
saw
screen.
your team.
It's
yes,
dangling.
Yes, I saw your team fall like the big tragedy of the Titanic.
How did that even happen?
Oh hey, it's you.
Don't kill me! Don't kill me! Don't kill me!
Ah man, you killed me.
I don't know how I killed you.
Time for bed! By the way, I stole that from DA Games, so go subscribe to DA Games now.
Do not.
Why? DA Games is a cool YouTuber.
Well, yeah, subscribe to DA Games. You know he ain't like our friends or something.
Yeah, he I don't think he'll ever be friends with us. We are too epic for his liking. We just aren't friends with him because we honestly don't know him.
Did I just see you die in the middle of my
his
channel?
gaming videos, which are actually my favorite part of his YouTube channel. I saw his music
hate this
videos,
person.
they're cool, but I know they're not the main thing of his channel. So I try to focus on the gaming videos because let's just face it, they're hilarious.
I'm gonna launch myself. I guess I can't.
I'd honestly much rather make him just stick to the gaming part, not the music part, because people are just gonna freaking complain. But if they don't get their song about a stupid video game, that they're gonna get mad.
William, what do I do? Right, I need some advice. What do I do when my place is sinking like Titanic?
Well, my friend, mine is as well, so my advice is don't do anything, because I'm in the same situation.
What are you talking about? You're in green team. And green team is barely touched.
In the outside. In the outside it looks, oh yeah, no, it doesn't look untouched at all.
It looks very untouched.
Are you, look at the roof of this thing.
It's only the roof, but like.
I can barely get from here to there without having a, okay, I just lied. Ow. Okay, so I guess it isn't so bad, but I mean, you get what I mean, right?
Oh yeah, but I'm Minecraft building up here. Like an epic Minecraft.
Red team has been eliminated. Kill catch all the dragons.
Hey, buy the game Spyro to get kissed by an epic gamer girl.
I stole that joke from Peter Pan. Peter Netter. What?
What do I think about this person? How come you're a team?
Now we only have. Now we come to the case. Who do we kill again?
Everybody.
I have a feeling. Who are we fighting?
Somebody.
Oh, look. Okay, well, we're dead now. And that's not really good. Oh, hey, I'm yellow.
I'm green. Why are we never in the same team?
Do things you never knew you could do. Everyone thinks my singing voice is crack. But now the party's over. Now my subscribers are gone.
Right. Can somebody
Already past
can
monetization.
Can somebody explain what physics this is? Just look at this. It's somehow floating.
It's already almost copyright claimed. I got a copyright claim in my YouTube channel, which is he can't be erased. Video and I
guessing that's from a song.
Yes, it is.
That song that you really liked.
Yeah, balloons. But I'm not singing it clearly.
Yeah, you're just doing the mood of it.
I'm just taking the instrumental.
Yeah.
I'm making a parody of it. A YouTube parody of it. Saying all the dumb rules YouTube has, like demonetization and copyright claims. Which I think is a horrible idea that they added. The fact that popular YouTubers can claim a video and that person doesn't get any money. That sucks. And that happened to me. I got a claim for the can't be erased video. I don't know how. It just said your video has copyrighted content in it. When the video is literally just me getting my good old trusty TV and then recording plushies, me playing with plushies, and the story being completely jumbled and not making any sense at all. Like, what the heck? Why is Funtime Foxy here? Fun fact, I don't actually know where my Funtime Foxy is. And Gleaming saved my life because Gleaming made it so Meowth is now in his universe. Which, thank heavens he did that. I lost my Meowth plush. If he didn't do that, Happy Memories would have been cancelled. So thank heavens, or actually it's not so good if you really think about it, because if I lost my Meowth.
Oh god! I just got launched by my bomb. Did you see me?
Yes, I also saw a chunk of. I also saw
a chunk of my base.
My ship is sinking. No.
Mine isn't. Well, kinda is. It's half dead. And you're the yellow base, and I'm gonna destroy all your stairs.
No, my camera's broken.
William, I'm gonna destroy all of your stairs because I like destroying stairs in this game. Because who don't like destroying stairs? William, I destroyed I exploded you.
To the face.
Thank
Someone
you.
launched a rocket into my face.
It was me. Just trying to
I
launch.
see you, green stupid little blob over there. No, I'm out of the way. Oh god, I lost my leg. Oh god, I'm dead. I lost all my left limbs.
I destroyed your base. What I always wanted to.
What is this? Can I actually kill someone with this?
Yeah, you can. You can kill people with balls.
Someone make a timestamp of what he just said, and then put a Lenny face.
Please don't say that in my family-friendly channel. I think I'm gonna win. Yeah, I completely destroyed the red team. Time to kill the people in the red team. I think I won this round. Oh crap, no, somebody's still living.
And I just blew myself up while standing on top of the bomb I placed. My head just went spinning like a fidget spinner everywhere, while all my limbs flew from left to right.
I won!
It literally looked like one of those toys,
I wonder what
like
team.
those fairy toys.
I wonder what team you're gonna be in. I almost thought you were gonna be in the blue team, cause that's the team I'm in.
Too bad.
Hey, wanna blow each other's Hey, how about you bomb my place up and I'll bomb your place up? Cause it's red versus blue. You know in that thing.
Does
where
anyone know what Portal is? No, they don't. Okay, well, I just everything sucks.
Should I end the video here?
Yes. How long is it?
30 minutes.
It's like half an hour, dude.
Should we?
Yes.
Alright, so I guess that would be it. Still, shout out to Carolina, I think. Yeah.
Do not give a shout out to Freddy and Fox Adventures, but still subscribe to him, I guess.
Subscribe to Carolina. I mean, you guys are even gonna watch me subscribe to her, or him, whatever. I'm just gonna
assume it's a girl. Did you just assume my gender? Based on my name? That's federally offensive, young woman. Where am I? Plot twist, I don't know where I am.
Alright. Boom.
What?
I don't even know when she make videos. Yep, let me just,
What team was I in?
Good.
Crap!
Alright. That's gonna be the end of the video. Bye, boys. First, I have to show you a picture.
Alright, so...
Let me just search up. Alright, don't worry about me looking at pictures of Krampus.
Hey, you know what's funny? I'm
What?
recording the video right now, or at least I just started, right? Right?
I guess.
Am I? Oh yeah, I'm recording. It's
Alright.
here.
Let me just show you a.
I can stop recording whenever I want to.
Let me just show you a picture.
So, I'm gonna resize my camera. Wow, can you see that camera resization?
No, let me just. Guys, we're gonna watch a video.
This could actually potentially damage people's face and ears, so I'm gonna just.
We're gonna watch a video and you're gonna laugh at it. There we go. Oh my god. This is my outro. Except I might get my video taken down. Maybe that music is copyrighted. Alright, don't worry about this video. Bye, subscribe.